Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best roadside kit is probably one of the most important investments for any driver, offering peace of mind and the ability to handle unexpected situations. From flat tires to dead batteries, being prepared can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. In this video, we'll dive deep into a top-rated roadside emergency kit, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for every vehicle. Number 5. First Secure Car Emergency Kit. This kit is designed to keep you safe on the road. It includes essential tools for various emergency situations, ensuring you're ready for anything. Unlike other kits, this one features durable tools built for top performance. The jumper cables and tow strap are made to withstand tough conditions, providing lasting quality. This roadside kit contains premium, essential tools, avoiding useless filler supplies. It includes a tire repair kit, tow rope, window breaker, air compressor, and jumper cable. The kit features a 90-piece roadside set and a 48-piece first aid kit. It includes a reflective warning triangle, air compressor, headlamp, tire pressure gauge, bungee cords, and work gloves. It's ideal for road trippers, commuters, families, and new drivers. This complete auto emergency kit is a vital travel companion, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone. At First Secure, your loved one's safety is our top priority. We pride ourselves on premium quality products and outstanding customer service. What we like. This kit is built with durable tools, ensuring they won't fail when you need them most. It includes essential tools, avoiding unnecessary items. If you are looking for a reliable and comprehensive kit for your car, this is the one for you. What people say. Good product, has all the emergency items I wanted. It's compact and an easy grab and go, needed everything to jump the car and fix the tire to get the other person home. It was a tightly packed kit, with a lot of items to help you get through a variety of problems on the road. Number 4. THINKWORK E7 Pink Car Emergency Kit. This is the perfect gift for any lady driver. It's a comprehensive kit designed to handle roadside emergencies, ensuring safety and peace of mind. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. The kit features a high-quality digital air compressor. It has a digital display and preset features for easy use. It automatically shuts off when the preset pressure is reached, making it very convenient. Inside, you'll find a pink jumper cable, safety hammer, and more. This kit is equipped to handle various situations. It's designed to provide assistance in most possible accidents. This pink kit is a practical and useful gift. It's ideal for new drivers or anyone who owns a car. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. All the tools are packed in a stylish pink bag. It saves space and can be stored in your trunk or back seat. It's a must-have toolbox for any car. This kit contains all the basic necessities for any car. Whether it's winter weather or a dead battery, it's an essential travel companion. Always be prepared, wherever you go. What we like. The digital air compressor is easy to use and has preset features. The kit is designed with pink accessories, making it a stylish choice. If you like a practical and thoughtful gift for the ladies, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. We used the tire inflator and it took the tire from all the way flat to full in about 7 minutes. Had to use the jumper cables the other day and they were a good quality, better than I thought they would be. It literally has everything that is needed in the event of unforeseen circumstances arriving while traveling. Number 3. Portable Tire Inflator and Repair Kit. Introducing a dual-cylinder portable tire inflator, perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. This provides up to 150 psi and includes a built-in pressure gauge for accuracy. It's lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your roadside kit. This kit comes with everything you need to handle unexpected tire issues. It includes a 12V air compressor, a tire patch kit, and heavy-duty plugs for quick fixes. It's ideal for both city driving and off-road adventures. Simplify your tire care with this air compressor, featuring a built-in tire pressure gauge. It works great for cars, trucks, ATVs, and even sports gear. This portable design is durable and easy to store. Travel with confidence knowing you have this mini air compressor. It fits easily in your trunk or luggage. It's perfect for inflating tires on motorcycles, trucks, and even beach toys. It's a must-have for any road trip. Be prepared for any situation with this 12-volt air compressor kit. It includes a powerful air pump, a tire gauge, and a professional-grade repair kit. This versatile set ensures you're ready for any flat tire emergency. It's compact, lightweight, and essential for any road trip. Experience long-lasting performance with this heavy-duty 12-volt air compressor. It features a rugged build for maximum durability. The included portable tire inflator enhances convenience. This is always ready to handle the task, making it a thoughtful gift. What we like. This kit features a powerful and reliable tire inflator. It includes a complete tire repair kit for emergencies. If you are looking for a compact and travel-ready design, you should consider this. What people say. It plugs into the lighter and has the option to attach to the battery as well. The long coil cord easily reaches the tires and it can be used to inflate other items such as basketballs, bike tires, etc. The cord length is great, it's long enough for me to reach all my tires. It has an auto shut-off which is great. It's a perfect size to store it in my car. My favorite part is it comes with a case. Number 2. Everlit Roadside Emergency Kit. This comprehensive kit, designed by experts, equips you with essential tools for roadside emergencies. It includes everything you need to handle unexpected situations and keep you safe on the road. The kit contains a variety of accessories like repair cable ties, bungee cords, and a reflective warning triangle. These tools help you get your vehicle back on the road and continue your journey. This lightweight and compact air compressor inflates tires quickly and efficiently. It features an auto shut-off function and a built-in LED light for nighttime use. It also includes extra nozzles for other inflatables. The included 12-foot jumper cables are durable and reliable. They provide enough power to start your vehicle and are UL listed for safety. The 108-piece first aid kit provides essential supplies for basic wound care. It ensures you and your family are prepared for minor injuries during your travels. Everlit is committed to providing excellent customer service and stands behind the quality of its products. They offer a 60-day hassle-free return policy and a 1-year satisfaction warranty. What we like. This kit provides all the essential tools needed for roadside emergencies. It comes with a digital auto tire inflator for easy use. If you are looking for a kit that prioritizes safety and preparedness, you should consider this. What people say. Air pump worked flawlessly fresh out the box. All other items seems durable. I'm sure the jumping cables work, although I haven't tested them yet. The air compressor came in clutch shortly after I put it in my trunk. Got a nail in my tire and had to use the compressor so it could be driven to the tire repair shop. It was super easy to use. This relatively lightweight and compact emergency kit has everything one might need in most common situations. Each item is high quality and easy to use. Number 1. UIBI X6 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Introducing the UIBI X6, your ultimate on-the-go companion. This device combines a jump starter, air compressor, and power bank into one compact unit. It's a lifesaver for any situation. Don't get stranded. The X6 can jumpstart your car in seconds, even in extreme weather. It handles both gas and diesel engines, providing peace of mind in emergencies. It can start your car up to 50 times. Inflate your tires quickly and easily with the built-in air compressor. It features smart preset modes and automatically shuts off when the desired pressure is reached. It's twice as fast as other inflators. The X6 also includes an LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes. Plus, it doubles as a power bank with both USB-A and Type-C ports. It's perfect for charging your devices on the go. With upgraded fast charging capabilities, the X6 gets you back up and running quickly. Both the USB-A and Type-C ports support fast charging for your devices. The jump starter itself can be fully charged in just 1.5 hours. Safety is a top priority. The X6 features 10 intelligent safety protections, ensuring safe operation in various conditions. It's UL 2743 certified and includes a jumper indicator for added security. We stand behind our product with a 12-month guarantee and hassle-free technical support. You'll receive everything you need, including the jump starter, cables, and accessories. It's the perfect gift for anyone. What we like. This product integrates multiple functions, including a jump starter and air compressor. It offers superfast cordless inflation. If you are looking for a versatile and efficient solution for your car emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. It can jumpstart a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs, with ease. The integrated air compressor is a fantastic feature. The digital pressure gauge is accurate and easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.